You can teach a student a lesson for a day, but if you can teach him to learn by creating curiosity, he will continue the learning process as long as he lives. Welcome to Kota. A city famous for its unique pedagogy. For producing miraculous results in all India entrance examinations, medical or engineering. A city popularly known as Educational Hub of India. Thousands of students from all over the country come here to become future doctors or engineers. They have to face a lot of hardships as they live in a rented room or a paying guest accommodation. Away from the hustle bustle of city life, a calm, serene, secure, and homely environment awaits you at Aklank Day Boarding cum Residential School. A child here finds a harmonious environment which helps him to concentrate on his studies. Proud of its facilities like smart classes, Wi-Fi campus, computer lab, maths lab, science lab, e-library, reading room with several periodicals and comics, Aklank Day Boarding cum Residential School stands apart from regular schools. Trained staff and faculty members make learning simple for students by using playway methods and animated multimedia technology. State-of-the-art separate girls and boys hostel with well-furnished and spacious rooms, common room with computer, mess hall, activity room, 24-hour security, 100% power backup, etc. makes it a wonderful place to stay. 5 nutritious and hygienic meals.
Om Senavatu. Om Senavatu. Seno Gunatu. Seno Gunatu. Saviram Kadvavai. Saviram Kadvavai.
A day with milk, fruits, curd, and sweets makes eating time enjoyable. Campus also has quarters for residential teachers. These qualified teachers help students with their homework, learning, and project work. Extra tuition classes are also arranged in the evening. We also emphasize on development of spoken English skills.
Educate! Educate! Educate!
Separate classes for these are arranged and practiced in the school's language lab. All festivals are celebrated in the hostel. Students from different states participate and enjoy these festivals together. Apart from this, we have birthday celebrations. And free laundry and ironing, doctor's visit, regular reports to parents about child's performance, etc. makes Aklank Day Boarding cum Residential School unique. We have excellent transport facilities. Safe and secure bus transport is available to students to and from all coaching institutes of Kota. At Aklank, we believe that each student has got inherent potential to develop. Providing right environment can bring out his qualities and help him do wonders. All work and no play can make anyone dull. The school supports all-round personalities development. For this, various co-curricular activities are planned throughout the year. The students show their talent in dance, drama, debate, speech, extempore, etc. Several quizzes are also organized to test their general awareness. Excursions and tours are also organized to develop leadership and team spirit. The school campus has facilities for a number of sports, yoga, and light exercise in morning, and outdoor sports in the evening. We have trained coaches for swimming, basketball, table tennis, badminton, martial arts, cricket, and horse riding. After a tough day at school, children can lighten their mood by playing indoor games. Chess, Ludo, Scrabble, or simply read comics, watch television, or dance to the tunes of their favorite songs. Boarders also enjoy Hollywood and Bollywood chartbusters. During the school holiday or Sunday in the school auditorium.
Every child is born with immense potential. If given right kind of environment, the child can develop fully. Here at Aklank, we believe in providing just that kind of environment. A child with right care and love develops into a responsible citizen of India.
Always be yourself, express yourself, have faith in yourself. Do not duplicate any personality. Just be yourself. It was said by Bruce Lee.